Great event photographers take photos that have a way of making you feel like you're back in the moment every time you look at them. And today's shot and tips come from Robert Lounsberry from North Carolina. He shared his checklist for event photography and we're sharing it with you. But before I get into it, I want to thank Canon for sponsoring this video. And remember, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom in Miami. And don't forget, we publish new content weekly. Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Unlike street photography, that can be more of a spontaneous exploration, event photographers have a lot of context before shooting an event. Robert Lounsberry, an experienced event photographer, is sharing his approach for great event photography. When Robert was starting, he posted photos and used social media to get exposure. He's come a long way and was recently chosen as the primary photographer for the Raleigh Christmas Parade. Robert mentioned that he shoots exclusively on Canon since he started. He'll usually take two Canon 6Ds, a Tamron 24 to 70mm lens because of its image stabilization, and a Canon 70 to 200 lens for close shots at a distance. According to him, there are three key things you need to get for every event if you're going to be successful. Those three things are families or small groups of people, moments of joy, and the main attraction that brought everybody to the event in the first place. For street festivals, which are Robert's favorite, the photographic story also has three parts: the before shots or establishing shots, build-up shots, and finally the main event. Before or establishing shots are mostly done before the event has started. This includes getting an empty venue or the location of the event and capturing it during the setup as people start to filter in. Build-up shots include the location with a bit more people and some action, but still not completely full. Last, you'll want to get the main event, the why of the event, and get in on the action to make the photos as immersive as possible. You can see how he builds a sense of direction to his photography with a big payout at the end. When getting these shots, it's always a good idea to get lots of smiles, candid photos of people interacting with each other and having a good time, and crowd shots showing the scope of the event. You can get vendors in action, maybe during deliveries. Vendors themselves help show how many people were involved in putting together the event, and it's also important to get shots of key sponsors. The more complete the story is that you're telling with your photos, the more successful your event album will be. Now, if you capture the essence of the event and have someone who didn't attend feel like they were there, then you did your job. I want to thank Robert Lounsberry for showing his insights and photos with us. You can find more of his photos and info at his website in the description below. If you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, tap the bell icon, and if you're in Miami, come visit us here at the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.